Sonnet 18.
Shall I compare thee to a summer's day? Thou art more lovely and more temperate. Rough winds do shake the darling buds of May, and summer's lease hath all too short a date. Sometime to hot the eye of heaven shines, and often is his gold complexion dimmed, and every fair from fair sometime declines, by chance or nature's changing course untrimmed. But thy eternal summer shall not fade, nor lose possession of that fair thou wst, nor shall death brag thou wander saint in his shade, when in eternal lines to time thou grass saint. So long as men can breathe, or eyes can see, so long lives this, and this gives life to thee. Full explanation and analysis of this sonnet is given in the description. Please check the related video section or check the description box.
Subscribe for more videos.